welcome. This is your boy ttaphisco at the Crypto Huddle. Thank you for joining me. For those who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is important, and thank you. So in this video, this is a tutorial to show folks how to convert avax to the FTM token using Kucoin. So what I wanted to do was basically, my goal is to get FTM tokens because I want to stake it. So I went to Coinbase and they don't have the FTM. I went to crypto.com. They have the ERC20 version. So what I did was I bought avax and basically sent it to Kucoin. And then from Kucoin, I'm going to convert it to FTM and basically send it to my MetaMask and do what I want to do with it. Alright, so as you can see right now, when I transfer the avax to Kucoin, it went straight to my main account, which is this main account. So what I'm going to do is basically transfer the avax to my trading account so I can swap it. Trade it. I'm going to show you that. If you find this video interesting, please do me a favor and subscribe. You know, your subscription is important. You know, so, and also I'm going to have in the description the Kucoin link where you can open your own account if you don't have one. All right, so transfer. I'm going to transfer all my avax from my main account to my trading account. Amount, I'm going to put all of it and hit transfer. So now this has been sent to my trading account. Trading account, I do have $22 in my trading account, and the token, and it is the avax that has been transferred. Okay, right there, trading account avax. So now I'm going to go to trade. I'm going to do a spot trading. Okay, alrighty, so I'm going to go up here and select avax USDT right there. So this is avax USDT spot trading. It's showing margin. Let me just make sure that I'm not doing margin trading here. Okay, so let me go back here, make sure that I am not in the margin. I'm not doing any margin trading, so I'm going to go to spot trading here. Okay, and then I'm going to do avax. avax USDT. Okay, alrighty, so as you can see over here, it shows that I have $22.54. Fine, right? So what I want to do, I want to sell it because I need only USDT. So I'm going to sell it. Buy, sell avax. I'm going to sell it at market value. So I'm going to select here the price, and then I'm going to select 100% of it. Click sell. So as soon as I do that, the transaction will be here. If the price reaches that price that I selected, it will be sold. But let's see. Usually, yeah, so it's sold. And here the clicking sign. So now sold that. So now I have USDT. Now I want to go up here again and try to buy Phantom FTM. Okay, FTM, and I want the USDT. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna come out here. It knows that I have 22 because whatever so when I sold my AVAX, I already have the USDT here, and this is the actual price of Phantom. I'm gonna just do the price that I see, and I'm gonna buy 100% of it and buy FTM. And now you can see the you can actually see the transaction over here. There you go. Click again. Now I got FTM. So this is exactly how you buy Phantom, or how to change AVAX to Phantom. You first sell it. You first sell your AVAX, then use your USDT to buy Phantom. If you had USDT in the beginning, you didn't even need to convert it. But the reason why I call it is because I had AVAX in the beginning. Alright, so now that I did that, my next process will be to basically send my FTM to my MetaMask wallet. So this can be a combination of two videos. Alright, so this is my asset. Okay. In my trading account, I have this value, FTM. So whenever you want to send something out of Kucoin, you always have to do it from the main account. Alright, I'm in my trading account. So this, I need to transfer it to my main account before I can send it out to my MetaMask. I'm going to hit transfer from trading to main account. I'm going to transfer everything and press confirm. Now it is in my main account. Okay, so at this point I want to send this Phantom to my wallet. So I'm going to do withdraw.